2019 Toyota Corolla Hatchback delivers driving fun. The all-new 2019 Toyota Corolla Hatchback offers more power than the Corolla in that it replaces, but even with this boost, it doesn't have quite enough get up and go. Once our drivers got moving, though, it handled very well, and it was the most enjoyable when tackling curvy roads. The sharply styled Corolla Hatchback is a little longer, wider, and lower than the M, and it features a new engine and 2 new transmissions. It also gets numerous standard advanced safety features. The new hatchback is also noteworthy because it rides on the same platform that will underpin the redesigned Corolla sedan, set to go on sale early next year. The hatchback version is set to arrive in Toyota dealerships this summer. Its competitors include the Chevrolet Cruze, Ford Focus, Hyundai Elantra GT, Mazda 3, Subaru Impreza, and Volkswagen Golf. Here are our first impressions of a pre-production Corolla hatchback that we rented from Toyota. Read our preview of the 2019 Toyota Corolla hatchback, below. How it drives. The 4-cylinder engine has 31 horsepower more than the outgoing Corolla M. That's good because we complained that the M was short on zip off the line. Even so, overall power is still only adequate. Pressing hard on the accelerator brings a raspy noise that makes the engine sound like it's working too hard. Toyota fitted the new transmission with a fixed first gear ratio to give it a more natural feel and to mask some quirks of a continuously variable transmission. Now the hatchback starts off from a stop without the rubber band-like sensation common with cars that have a CVT. We found the Corolla to be pleasant when driven around town. It's small and easy to drive, and the well-tuned transmission does a fine job keeping the revs low when driven normally. But it was on curvy roads that we found the Corolla hatchback to feel most in its element. We were surprised by its entertaining handling for a Corolla, as it took corners without hesitation, with nicely responsive steering, around our test track. The ride is on the firm side but not out of place for the compact hatchback segment. The large 18-inch wheels and low-profile tires that come standard on the XSE model we borrowed certainly don't help with smoothing out bumps and road ruts. Very often, larger tires with low profiles means there's less rubber between the car and the road, and that amplifies impacts. There's also a noticeable amount of road noise. The 16-inch wheels on the base SE trim should provide a more relaxed ride quality, with potentially less tire hum. Inside, the hatchback has wide, nicely bolstered seats that greet the driver and front passenger. The driver's seat has two-way power lumbar and the XSE a nice touch in this class. The driving position is on the low side, but there's generous headroom, and the door and center armrests are well located for long-haul comfort. Our taller testers wished the telescoping steering wheel extended further to make them more comfortable, considering how far they have to sit back from the dash. The 8-inch infotainment screen perched high on the dash has an upmarket feel, as do the instrument panel's cool blue gauges. The infotainment touchscreen is within the driver's handy reach and is simple to use, with large, easy-to-read text. Apple CarPlay capability and Amazon Alexa integration come standard, but there's no Android Auto compatibility. A small entryway and sloping roofline force passengers to duck some to get into the rear seat, but there's surprisingly good headroom once there, although legroom is limited for tall riders. The back seat is pretty comfortable, even by this segment's modest standards, and suitable even for adults. The rear liftgate is light and easy to operate, and it exposes a small cargo space that's limited by its angled design. The hatchback design offers cargo versatility, especially with the folding rear seats placed down. Safety and driver assist systems. Forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, daytime and nighttime pedestrian detection, daytime cyclist detection, and lane departure warning with steering assist will come standard on all 2019 Corolla hatchbacks, as part of Toyota's suite of advanced safety systems. Other standard driver assist features include adaptive cruise control, automatic on/off high beams, and lane tracking assist. It provides steering assistance to the driver to help the car stay between lane markings or follow the path of the vehicle in front of it. Note though, that blind spot warning and rear cross traffic warning are optional. See ours take. The Corolla hatchback combines practicality and playful handling, wrapped in sculptured styling, yet the powertrain focuses more on good fuel economy than all-out performance. Based on our short time with the car, it looks to be every bit as competitive as the similarly targeted Hyundai Elantra GT that we just finished testing.